Mikron, from the Greek word for small, same root as micron, which is kind of funny because there's nothing small about this thing. This is a Micron M80 Infrared Thermometer. Old school, and you can tell just by looking at it. Doesn't look like a piece of modern gear, does it? I mean, sure, you can buy a newer thermometer. They're smaller, cheaper, lighter, and for a lot of uses, that's the right choice. But these digital IR units didn't start out that way. Late 80s, early 90s, this was still pretty specialized gear. So back then, when the M80 series showed up, non-contact temperature measurement wasn't a gimmick, it was a capability. And this one was built as an instrument for serious work with those capabilities. You see it in the body, it's aluminum, big, no effort to disappear. It's got that late 20th century industrial look, I love it. More Pontiac Fiero than smartphone accessory. That's subjective, obviously, but it's got presence. Feels solid in the hand and expects to be used and not explained. But here's the thing, you get a manual with it too, and that covers a lot of the details about the technology. When you think about it back then and look through the manual, you really do a deep dive and see how the technology was all kind of like settling in before it all got locked up in a chip in a plastic shell that you get today. Simple enough, you can run it off a couple 9-volt batteries in the handle or plug it into the included wall wart adapter. And of course, we give you a hard case with it because that's how professional tools used to ship. This sits at an interesting transition point, analog thinking, digital readout. That's still kind of cool. I mean, look good in your lab or give it to the kids. It doesn't have a laser in it to burn their eyes out with, so you got that going for you. Not old enough to be an antique, not new enough to be disposable, and we only have one of them, so when it's gone, it's gone. Check it out. We have that and a lot of other cool stuff at Obtainium Science and Surplus.